All right, more linear equations. When we have fractions like this, I need to isolate z. So I could just simply multiply by the reciprocal, because notice what happens. That cancels, and I end up just with z. But remember, when you do something to one side, you have to do it to the other side. Now here I look to see, are there some things that can be canceled? And I know 9 goes into 45 5 times. That pen's fat. And then I could see, well, I could take 10 and divide it by 2, which would give me 5, and 16 divided by 2, which would give me 8. And I don't think anything else here can reduce, so 5 times 5 is 25, and then over 8. I'm not going to check this round. I did the first other ones. I'll leave that up to you. All right, next one, I am going to collect like terms. So this is going to be what, negative 9w equals negative 63. Divide both sides by negative 9, and I get w equals a positive 7. Looks like I need to do some distributing on this side. So negative 2 times 3y will be negative 6y. Negative 2 times 3 will be negative 6. I want to collect like terms, so I'm going to subtract 10 to start from both sides. So I have negative 2y, that cancels. Negative 6y minus 16. Now I need to chunk the 6y to the other side, do the opposite to cancel it. So add 6y to both sides. I get, what is that, 6 minus 2, 4y equals negative 16. Now I simply can divide both sides by 4. And I get y equals negative 4. All right, the next one, kind of like this last one, but distribute first. So negative 3 times 3x is negative 9x. Negative 3 times a negative 5 is a positive 15. I need to get my x's together, so I'm going to add 9x to both sides. And I get 15, well, isn't that nice, equals 15x. And so finally I divide both sides by 15, and I get my x equals 1.